Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can create pivot tables in Microsoft Excel as you see here. For example here, I just filtered the location. I selected this city, Du Haag. You see directly all graphical representation changes. Or from here, I remove this one and I bring another one. For example, salary, you see, or I remove this. From here, I make all. Okay. And bring another one, for example, employee ID. You see, if you want to create something like this, watch to the end. Let's get started. First, I delete this one. Now I have this data. It includes employee ID, names, location, the city, price in USD, and salary for each employee. First, you have to select the data. You can select your data in two ways. First, you can drag it and select it, or just bring to here, Control Shift draw down arrow. Directly select all of your data. It doesn't need to include the title. Now from insert, here we have pivot chart. Pivot chart. It includes the range. You can use an external data source, but we have our data. You can add pivot table to your existing worksheet or new worksheet. I selected new worksheet and OK. Good. Great. Which data you want to filter? I want to filter the location. It includes different city. So I bring this location to this filters. Then names. I bring names to see the names here. It shows names here. And also prices to value. Okay. Sometimes directly doesn't show this graphical window. So I want to remove it. I remove it and bring it for you again. Okay. Now you can change and compare the price in different cities. From here, if you click here, this small triangle, we have Du Haag city, we have Du Haag, Erbil and Suleymaniye. Just select it here and OK. It shows the names and the price only for Du Haag city or for Suleymaniye. Select it and OK. Great. Or you can do it for all, select all, shows all. Or you can use for multiple items or multiple location. Select this one. For example, I selected Du Haag and Suleymaniye. Here, take it. OK. From here shows multiple items. Now I change it to all. Great. Then from insert, here we have pivot charts, not this chart. This one, pivot chart, it is special to pivot tables. Click it, pivot chart. For example, I select this one. OK. Directly shows. Now, for example, I want to bring another chart. If you insert, click pivot chart, you see it's inactive. To activate it, we have to select the range. So I selected this range. From insert, here we have pivot chart. Now it's active. For example, I bring this line, this one. OK. Great. Again, I want bring pie chart. Select the data, insert, pivot chart. Here we have pie chart. Okay, great. Again, if you want to bring another graphical representation, insert pivot chart. Which one? For example, I bring this one. Again, in each one, we have a filter. For example, location. I select it, uncheck Arbil. You see changes in everyone. You can change the location for from each graphical representation. Now make it all. Okay. From here, for example, I remove names and bring salary. Show salary in these paragraphs, in pie chart, in lines. Also, if you want to remove this one and bring another one, for example, names. Okay. If you want to change the graphics, for example, if I click here and change the color, right click, fill color. For example, I change it to white, red. Again, from here, you can add axis title, grid line, legend, trend line, data label. It is the same as the normal graphical representation. For this one again, select it, right click. You can select, you can change fill color. Okay. That's all. I think that's all. Have a nice day.